CMTS is important because it's an event that brings all of us together. As Canadian manufacturers, we need to work together and collaborate to make Canadian manufacturing the strongest that it can be.
This is one of those examples that allow us to find who we can collaborate with and how do we educate ourselves on what is out there. Coming here, it's already very helpful because you get exposed to all these people from different industries.
When it comes to the manufacturing industry, especially metal cutting for Canada, this is the place to be. It really features the type of metal cutting products that are featured here, really bring in the type of customers that we're interested in selling our metal cutting machines to.
I think a show like this has a lot of value because it brings different industries together, and we can learn from the people on this floor to make the process as a whole better for us.